A father's diary. Father and son went to a temple. Suddenly, son shouted after seeing the pillars of ruin at the entrance of the temple. Run, Dad, run, or those lions will eat us. Dad consoled him, saying, they are just statues and won't harm us. Son replied, if those lion statues won't harm us, then how could statues of God give us blessings? The father wrote in his diary, I am still speechless on my child's answer and have started searching for God in humans. Instead of statues, I didn't find God, but I found humanity. Thanks for watching this story and all the best to all of you guys for learning English by listening stories. If you find value in this video, please like, share and subscribe it so we can create more like this. Thank you so much.